Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in US Bank online banking on PC. US Bank is American bank holding company. To log in to US Bank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.usbank.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of US Bank. Now here you can see login box on the right side of the website. Now here you need to first select the account type to online banking on the top. After that, you need to enter your username. Similarly, you can click on remember my username box to remember your username. After that, you need to enter your correct password of your account on the given box. With that, if you are having trouble signing in, then you can click on the option Get Login Help. To enroll, you can click on Create a Username and Password option. After entering all your credentials, click on Login option. With that, you'll get a verification code on your mail or phone number that you have registered your account with. So check your code and enter the code on the given box so that you can verify your identity. After that, you'll be able to log into US Bank online banking. This is how we can log in US Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.